You are looking at concrete rising higher than any building has ever climbed. 80 floors done, 320 meters up, still only a third of the way. This tower is going to reach 1 full kilometer into the sky. The Burj Khalifa held the record for 15 years. This will dwarf it completely. Stack the Eiffel Tower, the Empire State, and One World Trade. Still not enough.
Stand at the base and look up. You cannot see the workers at the top.
A new floor rises every few days, faster than almost anything ever built.
Nearly 1,000 workers are on this site right now, at this very moment.
The pressure's holding steady, sir.
Good.
Good, keep it moving. Will do.
Then nothing. In 2018, the crane simply stopped turning. For years, this tower stood frozen, rusting quietly above the Red Sea.
Then in 2025, the cranes moved again, without warning.
The site is so large that workers travel between zones by vehicle. Before one floor rose above ground, a full year went into what lies beneath it. Coral reef limestone sits beside the Red Sea, the worst ground for a tower this tall. Core samples came back riddled with voids, hollow gaps beneath the surface.
Every cavity was grouted shut before a single pile went in.
German drilling rigs bored through solid coral rock, one hole at a time. Each pile reached over 100 meters down, deeper than most monuments stand tall. Steel cages were lowered in sections, one sitting on top of the last. Thousands of tons of steel went into the piles before one floor existed. Concrete was poured from the bottom up, filling every gap in one motion.
The Red Sea soil eats steel, so every pile fights back permanently.
Then came the platform, a raft of rebar tied by hand across an entire field.
Enough concrete poured to fill several Olympic swimming pools, without a single stop.
Workers controlled the heat inside that concrete for weeks, invisible forever under everything above it.
Everything you are about to see starts right here, underground, out of sight.
From that base, the tower's spine began climbing, floor after floor. A climbing formwork system rides the tower upward, automatically, floor by floor.
The concrete here is twice as strong as anything in an ordinary building.
3 wings were shaped to split the wind instead of fighting it. No outriggers, no steel trusses. The shape itself is the structure.
Steel tendons are stressed after each pour, locking every floor in compression.
The same formwork gets reused over 100 times, floor after floor. Even the cranes climb the tower, bolted to a building that is still rising. At extreme height, wind forces would topple an ordinary building completely. In 4 to 5 degree heat, concrete is mixed with ice just to stay workable. Before sunrise, buses carry exhausted workers back toward a city still asleep.
Headlines around the world called it one of the most ambitious builds on Earth. Public figures and commentators everywhere have called it one of engineering's boldest gambles.
Floor 50, 200 meters, already taller than most skyscrapers on the planet.
The same contractor came back to finish exactly what they had started years before. They signed on to complete it for nearly $2 billion. Every existing floor was inspected first.
All of them passed.
Floor 64 went up in a single day, the silence finally broken.
Floor 100, 400 meters, the pace is only getting faster. Rebar cages now arrive pre-built, one lift replacing dozens of individual placements.
Through the glass, you can already see the outline of the finished penthouse.
The penthouse alone dwarfs an average home, an entire floor built for one family.
644 meters up, a glass floor lets you look straight down. 59 elevator shafts will move people through this tower at record speed. At the very top, a massive damper cancels the sway. Nobody inside will feel it. Above the final occupied floor, 200 meters of pure structural spire remain. Every 30 floors, a refuge level waits, fireproof and completely self-powered. 600 sensors are buried in the concrete, reporting the building's condition in real time. After years of construction, total settlement remains almost exactly within limit.
One clip, one lifeline, the only thing between a worker and the open air. Keep it steady. Guide it slowly.
Right there.
Right there, almost in.
Yeah.
Push it in from your side. Okay, it's seated.
Every floor tapers differently now. No two facade panels cut exactly the same.
The fathers who once poured the Burj Khalifa now watch their sons pour this one.
Taller than the Burj Khalifa, taller than the Eiffel Tower, taller than anything built before it.
What you have just watched is history being poured, one floor at a time.
Around it, an entire skyline has quietly rearranged itself to make room.
Once again, clouds close in around a tower, still reaching higher. Every morning, the cranes here catch the sun before anyone else on Earth.
This is the story of building something impossible. What should we cover next? Tell us below.